Ka komiti bala thong da ka yeng kashari ban pej banya halor ka jingti Dewïong bianya po ka jalla ya ka bala clear da retired justice PB Katakey ha ka arpusaw tori uluber araja arpusan kala lom ya ka jingalang banya kren halor ka Kaiphod ka bala yo ban pediang ha ka beya day bat ka aerial survey na ka benta ban yo Jingkheiñ yo Dewïong ubala Kheiñ bat ubam pat Kheiñ Habakran sikilat pathai kubor u justice BP Katakey ula pun pau baya ka Kaiphod ula yo ban pediang nadu ka khat khandai tari ula ber araja arpusan ha ka beya day bagi jaka lum Dewïong ki badon ha South Lake district ka East Jante Hills district ka West Khasi Hills district ka South West Khasi Hills district bat ka South Garo Hills district henry ula pentip ba pat la pat ban pen pau ya ka jinglap namar ka jingbam pat yo ya ka jing pensyai baru khmi lanti ba un yo ya ka ha ka sngi ban wan Nalor kita ula pentip bana pedang ki South Lake district ki bala lumjing tip halor ka jingdon jong Dewïong ubala penlang lanu inventory coal ki babon hi ki de East Jante Hills district.
Today's meeting I have concentrated on two issues. One is about the aerial survey we have directed to be conducted in 4 districts, that is East Jante Hills district, then West Khasi Hills district, then Southwest Khasi Hills district and South Garo Hills district. Those were found to be major coal producing district based on the coal dumps found in the inventory coal. And we have directed the government to conduct the aerial survey within the 1 kilometer radius of the coal dumps found. Means we have the government in 2019 submitted the affidavit before Supreme Court indicating the coordinates where dumps are available. So based on that, we have directed to conduct a survey other than the coal which has already been inventoried. We want to see whether within that 1 kilometer radius there is coal other than inventoried coal. And that report has been submitted. We discussed that report, number 1. Number 2, we have discussed relating to the 4 complaints filed by 4 individuals. And based on that, a report has been submitted by an inquiry committee headed by Mr. Nawab Bhattacharya. And there is further inquiry to be conducted, field verification required to be conducted, for which the government has already directed the Deputy Commissioner South Garo Hills district to conduct that physical verification and to submit a report within a week. And that report I am expecting after a week.
So, when this inventory survey was done?
Inventory survey, the survey within 1 kilometer radius.
Yes.
This has very recently been completed. A report has been submitted to me, if I am not wrong, on 19th of March. We have discussed, and I wanted certain clarifications, which clarification I am expecting tomorrow.
What is the finding?
I can't discuss the finding unless I get the clarification. As soon as I get the clarification, I can discuss it.
Besides this 4 district, are you directing the government to conduct survey in other districts also?
No, so far no, because so far I have directed only 4, identified 4 districts. Having regard to the inventoried coal, quantity of inventoried coal found in those districts, the major district being East Jante Hills district. Is the major coal producing district.
Which are other districts apart from East Jante Hills?
East Jante Hills district, Southwest Khasi Hills district, West Khasi Hills district and South Garo Hills district.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.